Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
From Add Photo section, add your image.
We're bound to hit the ground.
Go to the Blend section and put it on Multiply.
Keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close
Erase the extra parts.
do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise.
Set the brightness to 13. Set the contrast to 24. We change the brightness to 42 minus that the sky seems darker. Then erase the extra parts except the sky. Go to the effects. Set it to HDR1. Set blur to 8. Set unsharp to 100. Set saturation to 9. Set the fade to 58.
For a second, have you feel like this? Make me feel like this.
Go to the effects again and then set it to BRL1.
A mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds.
Go to the stickers and search the word yellow light.
Breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime.
Set the blend mode to add.
Stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
Set the brightness of the yellow light to 47 minus. And set the contrast to 3 minus.
We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. For a second, let me feel like this. Make me feel like this.
Search white light from sticker section. Set the blend to add.
Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling.
Set the highlight to 88 minus. Set the shadows to 91. Set the temperature to 43.
Lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
Choose the second shape of the stars. Set the stars to 1 and set the opacity to 100.